Substituting imported commodities has been one of the focus areas for the government of Ethiopia through its economic reform in the recent years. To maintain Ethiopia's trade balance, the government has given priority to improving domestic manufacturers in various sectors, building the capacity of Defense Engineering Industry Corporation to be able to manufacture imported armaments and use the potential of Ethiopians has been among the achievements in this regard. Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed visited the corporation's activities together with First Lady Zinash Tayacho and other higher government officials. During his visit, the Premier stated that the nation has replicated the achievements gained in the agriculture sector after making a reform 3 years ago.
Ethiopia በግብርና
It's been a while since Ethiopia started working to replicate the achievements gained in the agriculture sector. In its nature, industry needs time to bring change. After we observed the situation here 3 years ago, following the structural reforms and leadership changes at the Defense Engineering Industry Corporation, they are undertaking remarkable work using reverse engineering to develop strategic weapons, rockets and tanks which had been out of service for 40 and 50 years.
The Premier stated that the capacity the nation is developing enables to realize its prosperity and offer hope for the continent apart from itself. He said such feats are the indicators that Ethiopia is developing its capacity using its own potential in all sectors to realize its prosperity.
እስካሁን የምንታወቀው በመግዛት ነው ከመግዛት ወጥተን አሻሽለን ሞዲፋይ አድርገን
We have been known for importing, but now being able to stop importing and improving capacity by modifying and manufacturing is an impressive result. What I have seen today gives me hope that Ethiopia will be transformed to a huge capacity of producing rockets, tanks and other weapons within the coming few years. The capabilities we are developing are helping us realize our prosperity and offer hope for our nation and the continent. Building on our successes, we must accelerate progress in all sectors and fields supported by our abundant human capacity.
Prime Minister Abiy further stated that the law enforcement institutions have been strengthened as a very strategic nation in the Horn of Africa and throughout the continent. The endeavors are to realize an inclusive development in all sectors and realize a prosperous nation and hand over it to the coming generation.
የኛ ልጆች ተመራምረው ብዙ አሻሽለዋል
A lot has been improved by our professionals. We will strengthen integrating the knowledge of the world and benefit our nation. Within few years, we will work significant job for others also. As a nation in the Horn of Africa with 120 million people, it is important to have a strong law enforcement agencies, and we are doing that. We will protect our country like our forefathers in this regard. By integrating the development activities and the law enforcement efforts, we will realize a prosperous nation and hand over it to the next generation. I'm thankful for all those who are working in this.